In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poster in Figma using its AI capabilities. Figma has become a powerful tool, not just for traditional design, but also for leveraging artificial intelligence to kickstart your creative process. We'll walk through a straightforward method to generate a unique poster concept based on your vision, making design accessible and efficient for anyone. Our first step is to navigate to the Describe Your Idea and Make It Come to Life section within Figma. This is where you'll communicate your creative vision directly to Figma's integrated AI. Consider it your blank canvas. Instead of drawing, you're describing. This feature is typically found prominently in the interface when generating new content. It's an ideal starting point for any project, especially when you have a clear concept and want to see quick, AI-generated renditions that can serve as a strong foundation for your design work. It helps you bypass the initial struggle of a completely blank page. Once you're in the idea description area, the next crucial step is to craft a clear and effective prompt. The quality of your prompt directly influences the output you receive from the AI. For our example, we'll use this specific prompt. Create a sleek, futuristic poster featuring a digital brain or neural network design with a color palette of blues, purples, and metallic silvers. Include the text, "Unlock the future with AI," and a call to action like, "Discover more," in modern, sans serif fonts. This prompt is effective because it clearly specifies the style, main visual elements, a precise color scheme, the exact text, a call to action, and even the font style. Being this descriptive helps the AI understand your vision accurately and generate a design that closely matches your expectations. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can interpret and visualize your concept, leading to a more relevant and impressive result. With your detailed prompt entered, the final action is to simply click on the Make It button. This instructs the AI to process your prompt and generate the poster design. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and your internet speed, this might take a few moments to complete. Once the AI finishes its work, you'll be presented with a preliminary poster design based on your instructions. This initial output serves as a great starting point, ready for further iteration and customization within Figma. You can then refine elements, text, colors, and layout to perfectly align with your final vision, transforming the AI's creation into your own masterpiece. And that's how you can leverage Figma's AI capabilities to quickly create a compelling poster design. By effectively describing your idea and using precise prompts, you can generate professional concepts efficiently.